can also dance while you do hula hoop. You can do cha-cha. Lambada. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can do like this. Turn. Turn. Nabigat to guys, 1.5 kilo. Kaya pag nag-exercise ka nito, talagang niyuyug-yug na yung hips mo. So, I stop now. Thank you for watching my exercise today, and thank you to those who likes, share, and subscribes my channel. Thank you for all your support, and hope to see you again. Thank you for coming. God bless everyone. Is good benefits to your body. Pwede ba? Pwede ba? Pwede ba kitang pagsabihin? Let's try. Try ko. Hindi ka itong bola na to. This ball is weight also 1 kilo. So mabigat siya. So magsabayin mo siya sa arm mo. Parang try ko nga. Kaya ko. I-try ko lang. This is my first time to do it. I will try. Try ko nga hula hoop while playing this ball. Okay, let's do it. Bigat. One more time. Or maybe I will put this here. Kaya ko kaya? Kaya kong pagsabihin itong dalawa. Hi! Dito maganda to kasi maganda siya dito sa arm. Nakapaalang ako. It's connected to the universe. And do you hear that birds? They are singing. It's really quiet. And the flows of the water down. And the sun is shining. It's very good, perfect weather today. And I feel the great energy. It's silence. And there are some butterflies. There are so many. Actually, there are that. And it's a good day. It's a really good day today. Pero hindi ko ito makuha. How could it be? Hindi ko siya makuha. Maliit na ball lang siguro. Ay, ako.